Hi there, Mystery Baker here. Hope you're all doing well. As you can see, I've been busy making a mess. But no, actually, I've been doing some crafting, some fondant making, some topper making. Do you want to see what I've been making? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, baby. I've been making some fondant bows. How pretty. And these are ideal for decorating any cake or even the tops of cupcakes. Lots of different colours. I put a little bit of bling on some, a little bit of bling on others, and some of them are matte. um, I'm going to be putting the tutorial up sometime today, so please hit the bell if you haven't already, and you'll be notified when I upload this. It's perfect for the novice and beginner. Making bows is a great way of the novice and the beginner just to get a feel of working with fondant. It's a great start, I promise you. And once you start making bows, you just won't be able to stop. Thanks for your time. Bye.